Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change carpet cleanup preferences on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then find Carpet Cleanup Preferences. Now, you'll find Carpet Recognition, you can enable it, and then your robot will automatically recognize carpets. And you can set it to vacuums only on carpets, which means it will automatically stop mopping. Yeah, that is basically it. You can also enable carpet boost. So that's what it'll do when it goes onto a carpet, or you can set it to carpet avoidance, so it will not do anything on the carpet. It will just go around the carpet. So that is also an option, or disable carpet recognition altogether, so it will vacuum and mop on the carpets, which you most likely don't want because it may cause mold. So I think vacuums only on carpets is a good thing. It will just lift them up because they can lift themselves up so they don't touch the surface, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.